Go.
Hey, Tom Sweeney here, and today I am going to show you how to fix a stress crack above a window. This commonly occurs above and below windows. And here, this is a bathroom where somebody had painted over wallpaper glue, and I've gone and scraped some of that off, and I came across this stress crack right here. So I kind of chipped away at it where the tape was coming loose, and one thing you're going to want to do is drop a couple screws on each side of the crack. So I got 2 drywall screws, and right here where the crack is, there's going to be a stud behind there, because usually that's where 2 pieces of drywall meet each other. And I want to tighten these 2 pieces up so this crack doesn't, it'll help it not come back. So I've got that tightened up, and I want to put a little mesh tape on over the top of the crack. So I measure off a little piece. This has a little sticky substance on it, so it adheres quite well. Now I have mixed up a compound. This is a 20-minute mix. From a powder. You can get this at a home center. And I am just going to trowel that on. And we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to do another coat. We're going to sand in between coats, and probably going to do a 3rd coat. Check it, and if we have to do another fine finish coat, we'll do that. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna reassess it, do a couple more coats, finish sand it, prime it. It'll be ready to paint. And hopefully, with those screws going in there, that crack won't come back. So good luck, like, subscribe, do everything. I wanna bring you a lot of painting tips, drywall repair tips, wallpaper removal tips. I'll see you.